So firstly we will start with installation of Python OpenGL library. So sudo su and then pip install pyOpenGL. Okay, so my requirements is already satisfied, so this is it, Python OpenGL. I'm using this Python instead of C or C++ is because in C++ I have to install the necessary libraries. It is a little bit of complicated thing for me since I'm not a good C++ or C coder, and it's just one line: pip install Python pyOpenGL for installation and setup. That's all. So we are doing it with Python. So let's see some more examples in the next videos, and thanks for watching.